Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to The Big Question. Kelly, we still have a lot of insurance questions coming in, so that is great. Yeah. Today, people would like to know, when should you file a claim and how does it affect their premium?
Gosh, that is a great question. And here today to answer that question for us is Jared Sumner with the Sumner Group. Jared, answer that for us.
That is a pretty good question. You know, we get calls all the time from our clients asking about how does a claim affect their premiums and what happens if they were going to go ahead and file. One of the biggest things I want to go ahead and make everybody aware of is filing a claim can impact your rates. The more claims that you have, of course, the higher your rating factor is going to go, which is going to cost you more money in the long run. Some simple ways to avoid that, though, is the best question or the best suggestion is to actually reach out to your agent. The first thing you should do is contact your agent, discuss the occurrence or the incident that happened, let them know kind of what's been impacted. And at that point, your insurance agent can go ahead and work with you to determine if your actual outcome is going to overcome the deductible that you're going to have to pay out of your pocket. There are cases where we're going to have people who do not have enough damage to overcome their deductible, so filing a claim is not going to be the right move at that point.
That makes sense. Wow, that's a great question and a great answer. Thanks so much, Jared.
Yeah, thank you. If you have a topic or a question for our series, feel free to leave us a comment down below. We love reading your feedback. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.